Those strong winds causing issues throughout Siouxland this afternoon, including on I-29 in the Singing Hills area. Let's get straight to this video. This is a look from an Iowa DOT traffic camera around 1 o'clock this afternoon near the Singing Hills Boulevard exit. And you can see crews responding after the strong winds did damage to one of the arms used to block the interstate when it's closed for severe weather.
Those strong winds also causing dust storms in Siouxland. Take a look at this time-lapse video from our weather camera on Signal Hill, and in the distance you can see that big cloud of dust blowing across the screen. The dust picked up and then carried by the strong winds.
And dusty conditions also caught on camera in northeast Nebraska. Now this is video showing dust being blown through a farm field just off the highway, shot by KTIV's Joe McMahon.
Now, those strong winds can certainly be dangerous for high-profile vehicles like semis. This afternoon, we heard several reports of semis being blown right off the road. Take a look at this video from I-29 near Elk Point, South Dakota. High winds flipped two semis right onto their sides. They ended up in the ditch. In the same area, a small trailer got detached from a truck, and that was blown into a ditch. In spite of the incidents, traffic on the interstate continued to flow as normal.
For the latest weather alerts and to check out current conditions wherever you may be, you can download the KTIV First Alert Weather app. It's a quick and easy download to all of your smart devices. You can scan the QR code you see on your screen right now, or you can download the app at no charge from the Apple App Store or Google Play. You will stay up to date with the newest information coming from the First Alert Weather team.